Students, good morning. Before proceeding towards next topic, we must learn the initial operation of Pandas series object that can be practiced with the help of given assignments. First assignment was given: write a Python program using pandas to store the square of numbers 5 to 14. Square of numbers 5 to 14 in series and display this series. Okay. 5 to 14 for practice purpose. Open this site python.mykbase.in. Move towards last icon, code tester here. Click here. Wait for some moments. It will load Python interpreter temporarily on your system. Then after, press here, write here import numpy as np, import pandas as pd. Then we have to create a list of elements starting from 5 to 14. We can create list with the help of range function. Here we will mention 5, 14, but LST will not be created as list, so the range value to be converted into list. So we type convert here with the help of list method. We have converted its type. Now list hold the value 5 to 14. Whether it holds or not, we can check it with the help of print statement. Now I execute the program. It will add pandas on your system and will execute your program to display the list of elements. It will take few moments. Wait. Okay, this one is the list created. Our question was to store squares of 5 to 14, but the values are till 13, so that's why I will increase here one more number. Now the list elements are like this. Now I will create numpy array np dot array n equal np dot array and pass the list in array method. Now array n is created. Now I create P as panda series. P equal pd dot series method, pass n here. Series is created. Now r equal p, then power of 2, then display print r. Now execute the program. You student will find the result like this. We are starting from number 5. 5 into 5, that is 25. The first value 25 is being displayed here. Then 6 into 6, 36. 7 to 7, 49, till the last element. Okay. Now how this program is being executed? First of all, we are creating numpy array, for numpy array, then importing pandas, then creating a list with the help of list method as type conversion, passing range method inside it, 5, 15. A range value will be extracted and will be converted into list, and then after it will be assigned into LST as list. Then we are calling array method to pass LST, so an array can be created. Here n is an array. That array is being passed into series method to create panda series, and series panda p is being multiplied twice, means power of 2 of each element of p, and a new series will be created, that will be r, and if it display r, it will display the squares of all the numbers. Okay students, our next question is to hold the numbers from 100 to 90 and other hold. We have to create two series, one hold number from 100 to 90 and other hold square root of 100 to 90. Okay. One series hold number from 100 to 90. We make some changes in this program. 100 to 90 means 90, 100. Okay. It will create LST as a list starting from number 90 to 100, but we need 100 to 90. So what we do here, we make some changes. Here we apply array method, then we pass list, then to extract list elements in reverse order, we pass starting and ending position blank with double colon sign, then after -1 for reverse order, and here we are trying to display P. Now execute the same program. It is displaying 99, then 98, 97, like that till 90. So to receive 100 we have to mention here 101. Now we are getting number in reverse order. The question was to create series, one with number starting from 100 to 19 and another with square root of 100 to 90 as panda series. So we create one more NumPy array with the help of NP object, then use here sqrt method for square root of list elements. Square root of list elements in reverse order. Okay. O will be holding value into reverse order. Then after we create Q for series purpose equal PD dot series of O. Now I display value of Q also. Now I execute the program. First it is displaying value from 100 to 90 with the help of print P, and then after it is displaying the square root of those numbers. It is very easy. Here what we are learning, that student, we must be thoroughly familiar with list as well as NumPy array. So student, you all are requested to go through NumPy methods and NumPy tutorials so that you can use the functionality of NumPy also. Here what we are doing, we are importing pandas and NumPy, then creating list from range values with type conversion using list method. It will convert it range value into the list and will assign into LST. Then creating one array to store value into reverse order. So we are creating NumPy array with passing LST and mentioning that number to be accessed or element to be accessed in the reverse order. N is created as NumPy array. Then with the help of that N, we are creating panda series. Then after we are creating O as NumPy array with the help of sqrt, that is returning square root of all the list elements from last to first position, and again creating series with the help of series method of pandas. Passing O, it will create pandas series Q. So there, in this program we are having two series, one is P and another is Q. P is holding value from 100 to 90, whereas Q is holding the value of square root from 100 to 90, and those square root will be displayed and being displayed here. Okay. Now student, I will give you more assignment for the practice purpose. As more as you perform the assignment, you will learn more, and question may be asked in your board examination randomly, because pandas series and NumPy array both are in your contents. NumPy was in your 11th class, whereas pandas series and data frames in your 12th class. So prepare accordingly and regularly solve the assignment, so that I may know, I may get your feedback that you are learning properly.